Hello guys, how to fix error SSL version interference Chrome error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you want to try any site and such type of error code appear on your screen, this site cannot be reached, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major issues on your computer, so you must restart your system as well as browser. And if your problem is not resolving, then go to the Google Chrome browser and here click on three vertical dots from the top right corner of the page and new incognito windows. Click on it and check whether incognito windows Chrome version working or not. If this version is also not working, then go to the next fixes. Again click on three vertical dots from the top right corner of the Chrome page and here click on settings and from the left side choose privacy and security. Click on it and here choose clear browsing data. Clear browsing cookies and caches of your Chrome browser. Help various Chrome related error on your system. Go to advanced tab, make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, and finally choose clear data. The one more workaround on this page also. Again click on three vertical dots from the top right corner and here go to extension of your page or click on manage extensions. If you have added any extension to your Chrome browser, simply as a one-time measure disable all the extensions added to your Chrome browser in your Windows 11 and 10 system. So disable extensions first and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again click on three vertical dots from the top right corner of the Chrome page and here scroll down and choose settings. Click on it. From the left side scroll down and you will find the option about Chrome. Update your Chrome browser. Click on update Chrome and here Chrome will checking for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it. And in my case an error occurred. If you are also facing such type of error, then first remove this error and try to update your Google Chrome browser and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next one more fixes. Click on three vertical dots from the top right corner of the page and here again go to settings and reset your default set Chrome settings. Click on settings first and from the left side scroll down and you will find the option reset settings. Click on it and restore settings to their original defaults of your Chrome browser. Click on it. Reset settings. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history and saved password would not be affected. Choose reset settings. After reset, your Google Chrome settings will definitely resolve your Chrome error on your Windows 11 and 10.